So, don't ignore the little things in life. Sometimes they can save your day.
That's right. Hi, I'm Lionel.
And I'm Hanli.
And you've got to be prepared before shit happens. That's why we have two wipers before you today, right? Sure, wet, clean one. So we're going to take a look at the Clear Advantage first. It's priced around 80 to 100 ringgit.
Yeah, let's take it out and see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty easy to open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Quite sleek. There is no spine, unlike the traditional design, and it feels pretty good in the hand.
So for this price range, Lionel, it should be rubber blade, right?
Yeah, you're right. It's made of rubber, but Bosch says they've treated the wiping edge to graphite, so it should wipe a little bit smoother and last a little bit longer.
And looking at this clip here, I don't think it suits all types of wipers.
Yeah, you're right. It will fit only U-hook type wiper systems, but that's also okay because most cars use the U-hook system.
Alright, so let's move on to the next one, which is Aeroteam. We have two different products under Aeroteam. One is the Plus and one is the Retrofit here. So Lionel, what's the difference between these two products?
The Retrofit will only fit onto U-hook type systems. Honey, let's open it up, have a look at it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, you got this, okay. Yep.
Looks good. Alright, looking at the upgrade here at around 160%, it definitely has better quality compared to Clear Advantage. And it should have better aero quality as well.
The slope on both sides helps with the aerodynamic quality of this wiper.
Looks really sleek.
The rubber is a dual compound rubber, which should prolong its life even more. And the rubber is also treated with graphite, so it should wipe smoother. But I'd like to see it come with that plastic bit that will protect the rubber, because as you can tell, when we unpackage it, we've been touching the rubber and everything. So this will fit the U-hook system, whereas the Aerotwin Plus will fit into most other systems. Yeah, look at it.
Okay, this is the clip here.
The U-hook will fit onto this, right, the Retrofit, but the Aerotwin Plus has a multi-clip system. So this clip will fit onto cars that don't have the U-hook system, cars that use pin the lock types. If you have a car like that, this is what you want to buy.
Alright, shall we install it?
Yeah, sure, let's have a look at that. Replacing the wiper blade is simplicity itself. First, lift up the wiper stand. Turn the old blade like so and slide it out of the clip. You'll want to know which type your wiper is, and there are quite a few, like the hook, the pin, and the lock. The most common type is the hook. Bosch wipers come with clips for both the hook and also the other types. To install the new blade, simply open the clip, slide it into the hook like so, and then fasten the clip. Avoid touching the rubber if you're able, as you can damage it accidentally. That's it.
So that's all from us today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video.
There's also a link down in the description below if you want to check out any of these Bosch products. That's all from us today, and don't forget to wipe clean.